All right, let's check out this Arrow wood chisel set. Hey, since 1929. This is actually a company that's been around a while. I've got some older Arrow tools here in the garage. That was my grandpa's. Give you some tips for preventing rust. That's nice. Wow. Let's take a second here. How often do you see tools with just a good wood handle anymore? That's nice. We've got a striking surface here. They do give us some covers on the tips. Let's get one of the bigger ones out here. What a nicely made tool. Handle's got a little, I guess we'd call that a bevel to it. Feels good. This is something that as you use it will wear into you. I just love the idea of using wood handles on stuff still. We'd use a softer mallet to strike the back on this one. And usually we'll just be using these by hand. But let's try it out on a little hardwood here. See what we think. And they already come plenty sharp. Oh yeah, ready to go. So here's some walnut I need to clean up the edges on. And boy. Yeah, just right out of the box, quite sharp. All right, well, I'm going to keep working, but yeah, this is a very nice set of chisels. I'm actually pretty surprised by the quality of them.